come make this quick cabbage dish with me. You need one whole cabbage, maybe about 2 pounds. Chop some garlic. The smaller, the better. You're also gonna chop some green onions, bell peppers, a large tomato, and it doesn't matter if it's red or yellow onions, up to you. Next, I'll make sure I include a recipe in the description box for you to follow. I know some viewers like to actually see what's happening instead of just following a recipe. Though the tomatoes should not be that big. Those are just, I mostly use those when I'm like garnishing a dish, or if I'm doing like a tomato sandwich or something. I cook a lot. I do cook for a lot of customers sometimes. Sometimes I cook for friends. Make sure you wash your cabbage and put it to drain. You don't want to add it to the sauteed tomatoes and onions with too much water. It'll become soggy and it doesn't give a good taste. While the cabbage was being cooked down, I put the bacon in the oven and let it get nice and crispy. This was specific for a customer who wanted this bacon. I normally use turkey bacon, and you let that cook down, and I add the bacon to the end. The complete description, instruction, recipe is in the description box. If you like to make this, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.